Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter number 4, that is reproduction in animals. You have studied adaptation in animals in chapter 3. Now we will study reproduction in animal. So first we should understand the term lifespan. Lifespan, what is lifespan? The length of time for which a living being lives. That means the time from birth to death. Means जब से कोई living being birth लेता है till the time they die. जो time duration birth to death होता है, that is called the lifespan of that living being. So lifespan is the time from which the animal takes birth to the time it dies. Now reproduction. We have to study reproduction in animals. So what is reproduction? The process of producing young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Means अपने ही जैसे young ones means अपने ही जैसे babies produce करना. Like cat produces a kitten, a dog produces a puppy. So the process of producing young ones means अपने ही जैसे किसी young one को, young one means the baby produce करना, that is known as reproduction. So why do animals reproduce? So that they can give birth to the young ones of their own kind. So the process is known as reproduction. Now there are two types of ways in which animal reproduce. Means वो अपने young ones produce करते हैं two process से. By giving birth to young ones, like अपने young ones को directly birth देके, और by laying eggs. कुछ एनिमल्स होते हैं जो डायरेक्टली बेबी बर्थ करते हैं, अपनी बेबीज़ प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. लाइक डॉग, काऊ, कैट. काउस डायरेक्टली काफ प्रोड्यूस करती हैं, डॉग्स पपीज़ एंड कैट किटन्स. एंड देर आर सम अदर एनिमल्स, वो पहले एग ले करते हैं, वो एग ब्रेक होके हैच होके बेबी बर्ड आता है. लाइक बर्ड्स, फिशेज होते हैं, रेप्टाइल्स, हैंस, स्नेक्स. दीज एनिमल दे फर्स्ट गिव एग्स एंड देन द एग्स ब्रेक इनटू, and then the eggs break and the young one is produced. So they don't give directly birth to young ones, and these animal, dog, cow, cat, they give directly birth to young ones. So there are two ways of giving birth. So the animals that give directly birth to young ones, they are known as mammals. जो directly young ones को birth देते हैं, they are known as mammals. And egg laying animals, bird, fishes, reptiles, are called egg laying animals because they give egg first. Now we will discuss mammals. Now what are mammals? Animals that give birth to young ones are called mammals. I've already explained जो animals directly birth कर देते हैं babies को अपनी, they are known as mammals. They don't produce egg, they give direct birth to their babies. They produce milk to feed their babies. आपने देखा है क्या birds को कभी milk produce करते हुए? No. These animal, dog, cow, cat, these animal give milk. They give milk which their babies feed. उनके babies ये milk feed करके रहते हैं. These mammals have hair on their body. These mammals have hair on their body. The young ones are carried within the body of their mother till they are born. So the young ones are carried within the bodies of the mother till they are born. मतलब जो मैमल्स होते हैं उनमें जो मदर एनिमल होता है वो अपने बेबीज़ को अपने स्टमक में रखता है और फिर डायरेक्टली वो यंग बर्ड्स बॉर्न होते हैं. मींस उनके वो में वो बेबीज़ ग्रो करते हैं और फाइनली वो बर्थ देती हैं डायरेक्टली टू द यंग वंस. नाउ मैमल टेक गुड केयर ऑफ देयर यंग वंस. वो मैमल्स, ऑल मैमल यू हैव सीन, काऊ अपने काफ का केयर करती है प्रॉपर, उसको टाइम मिल्क फीड कराती है, उसके साथ रहती है जब तक वो पूरी तरह ग्रो नहीं हो जाता. सो mammals take care of their young ones. All the mammal take care of their young ones. They feed, clean and keep them safe until they grow up. जो mammals होते हैं वो अपने babies को feed करते हैं, clean करते हैं और उनको safe रखते हैं जब तक वो grow नहीं कर पाते, बड़े नहीं हो जाते. So these are the features of mammals, that they give birth to young ones, they produce milk, they have hair on their bodies. All mammals have hair on their bodies. They carry young ones till they are born. They take good care of their young ones and they keep them safe also. Examples हैं dog, sheep, cow, buffalo, horse, elephant, bat. We have studied in previous chapter bat. Bat is a bird. It is not a it is a bird, but it is a mammal because it gives birth to directly to the young ones. So bat is also is a mammal. Monkey, dolphin, whale. Whale is the largest mammal. सबसे बड़ी mammal है whale. We humans, we are also mammals. Why? Because we human also give birth to the young ones directly. So we are also humans. We are also mammals. So you understood what are mammals. Now we will discuss about animals that lay eggs. Now, animals that lay eggs are birds. सारे birds eggs देते हैं. Fishes, reptiles means snakes, crocodiles. They also give birth to eggs. They also produce egg. Amphibians like frog, newt. They also give eggs. Insects, सारे insects, they also lay eggs. So these animals that lay egg are known as egg laying animals. The young ones come out after hatching from the egg. आपने देखा होगा जितने भी बर्ड्स हैं, हैन हैं, वो अपने एग्स पे बैठे रहते हैं, उनको वार्म करते रहते हैं. एंड फाइनली वो हैचिंग, द प्रोसेस ऑफ हैचिंग इज व्हेन द एग ब्रेक्स एंड द बेबी बर्ड और बेबी एनिमल कम्स आउट. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज हैचिंग. सो जो यंग वंस हैं तभी बाहर आते हैं एग के जब वो हैच हो जाता है. एग पूरी तरह हैच हो जाता है और एग तब हैच हो जाता है जब पूरी तरह एग के अंदर बेबी फॉर्म हो जाता है. सो एग एनिमल्स दैट ले एग, in that animals the young ones come out after hatching from the egg. This is the main difference between mammals and egg laying animals, that mammals give young ones birth to young ones directly and egg laying animals produce eggs which hatch into babies. You can see from your book also animals that give birth to young ones. You can see a cat with kitten. Cat produces kittens. The sheep produces lamb. You can see a mare feeding its colt. This is a horse is a mammal. It takes care. It feeds its baby. The cow also feeds its calf. The whale is there. Whale take cares of its baby. The puppies are feeded by the mother dog. So this is the way the mammals take good care of their babies. So today I have explained to you what are mammals and what are animals that lay eggs. So read page number 32, 33 and 34 of your book today itself. As soon as you see this video, after this you read page number 32, 33 and 34. Okay students, thank you.